You might have noticed the smoke emitted by chimneys. It is produced due to the combustion of fuels. But combustion involves a chemical reaction. Do such changes occur in all chemical reactions? Let's find out. The substances that take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. When we heat sugar, it changes into new substances. Such changes are called chemical changes. The process that leads to chemical changes is called a chemical reaction. Substances produced in this reaction, that is, carbon and water vapor, are called products. Let us study some of the characteristics of a chemical reaction. Evolution of gas. Take a pinch of sodium carbonate in a test tube. Add some dilute hydrochloric acid into it. Sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid react to produce sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide, which is seen as a colorless gas. Change in color. Take acidified potassium permanganate solution in a flask and add excess lemon juice to it. Because of the presence of citric acid in the lemon juice, the color of the solution goes on fading. Formation of a precipitate. Take dilute solution of barium chloride in a beaker. Add some dilute sulfuric acid to it. During the reaction, you can see a white color precipitate is formed. Change of state. Take a candle. Hold a funnel with a tube over the flame. Put the other end of the tube in lime water. When the candle is burned, carbon dioxide is released, which passes through the funnel into the lime water, and carbon dioxide turns the lime water milky. Extinguish the candle and you will notice black soot on the inner side of the funnel. Thus, in this reaction, the solid wax has been converted into solid soot, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Change in temperature. Take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in a beaker. Slowly add water to this. Touch the beaker. You will feel a change in temperature as the temperature of the solution gradually increases. When quicklime reacts with water, slaked lime is formed with the release of a large amount of heat, causing a change in temperature in the reaction mixture. Let's summarize. The characteristics of chemical reactions are evolution of gas, change in color, formation of precipitate, change of state, change in temperature. You can now recognize the occurrence of a chemical reaction by observing the changes taking place. But how can we correctly represent the chemical reactions? Stay tuned to find the answer.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.